Oh my God. Me. Oh, he's running.
You can't follow him, sir.
I'm getting his license plate.
Well, let's go ahead with the plate.
3PZT06. He just tried to run. Now he's pulling over again because he can't drive away. I need police right away.
Hold up, look, sir.
Same color orange and the stripe and the leash. Sailor Beach, dogs over here on the leash. Sailor Beach, ball over here, come and eat. ATV, I'll be out the road from the street.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Like that.
Oh, he do need it. He got oxygen on. I'm not gonna fight him. That's an unfair advantage.
I love being in the South and there being a Bojangles every 4 miles.
Yeah. I love Bojangles. They're so good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, translating. Might want to check the coolant. Whoa.
Oh, brake check me.
Understand it that way. The captain began to write once again, and we all sat listening to the scratch of his pencil against the sheet of paper he worked on. The form he was filling out. Whoa! What time as we know it from suddenly reversing course and flinging us all off the planet.
I wish you shadowed me on my deal earlier. I was a pimp. This guy was like, Oh my god, I just witnessed an accident. That dude blew through that. That dude blew through that red light. What? I got that on dash cam. That's crazy. I'm not gonna be able to go nowhere. Yeah, I'm about to call 911. Oh.
What the hell is
Yes, we're in the roundabout first.
We're in the roundabout. You see us stopped in the middle of the roundabout? Why were you trying to pass on this side?
Manual recording will now start.
Yeah, red light too.
Yeah, he just blew it.
Dude, I wasn't riding your ass.